Hello everybody, Lord Almighty here. Today is Monday, June 10th, 2019, and today has been rainy, foggy, and cool. And where most people might see a day that is best spent in the comfort of home, fishermen like myself see a day that is tailor-made for topwater fishing. And that's why I've come to a local pond. I am going to be slinging around the buzzbait, and I'm going to see if this gray, dingy weather is going to spark any fish to bite. There we go. Alrighty. First fish of the day on the buzzbait. Little guy. First of many, hopefully. It's always a good sign when you get bit in the first few minutes. Well, the rain has started up again. I was kind of hoping that we were done with that for the day, or at least it would have held off until later. But whatever. It's certainly not going to hurt the fishing, and I don't mind getting a little wet as long as the fish are biting. Look at that. You can tell somebody wacky rigged this thing because of the damage to the middle of it. I'll take it with me. I'll either throw it in the trash or I'll throw it on a hook myself. Well guys, it appears we have a rather interesting development. So what has happened over the course of the day is the rain has knocked some of the berries off of this mulberry tree that's right in front of me, and a bunch of carp have moved in to gorge themselves. So what I am going to do is I'm going to temporarily suspend my buzzbait fishing, and I'm going to tie on a hook, throw one of these mulberries on it, and see if I can't catch myself a carp. I think he's got it. Ah, he pulled off. Dang it. Guess I gotta let him eat a little bit more. Well guys, I was not able to get the presentation I needed with that bait caster. It's very difficult to cast something that's essentially weightless with any great distance using that thing. So I went back to my car and I got my emergency spinning rod with the 6-pound test on it, and this should allow me to get this bait where it needs to go. The downside is, this being 6-pound test and a light rod, it is going to be a bigger challenge landing one of these things if I do hook up, because I don't have a net with me. He's taking it. He's taking it. I gotta let him eat it because it's a small hook. He's really racing now. There we go. Fish on. Oh boy. He's running towards shore that way. Oh boy. What are you doing? Get back over here. Hope this 6-pound test holds up. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, he's got me in this tree here. He's got me wrapped up in this branch. Come on, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Oh, crap. Okay, he's out, he's out. Alright, let's bring this guy up here. Okay, he's not that big. I think I can lift him. And up we go. Alright. Look at that. Look at that, right in the corner of the mouth. Beautiful. Okay. He is free. And he is going back in the water. Look at that. Look at that nice little carp. Maybe about a 2.5 pounder. Really fun on that light rod. That was a fun fight. Well, stressful, but fun. Alright. We'll get him back. Oh, and there he goes. Alright, not bad. You know what? I want to see if I can get another one. Because that was really a lot of fun. Oh, we got a pickup. Alright. Let's see what we got. There he goes. Oh, this one's pulling. Oh, did he pull off? He pulled off. Dang it. Wow. That was a nicer fish. Did you hear that drag going? Good Lord. Let me see if I can hook one more. Hate to leave it on a note like that. Oh, I got to pick up. I got to pick up. I think he knows he's hooked. Is he still on, or did he drop it? He dropped it! And he took the berries. Son of a gun, these carp are smart. Here's another little something that might blow your mind. These fish are only eating the ripe berries. I've tried putting on some unripe berries because they stay on the hook better. Fish won't touch them. Only the ripe ones. They can tell. You know, we think of carp as a trash fish, but in my experience and anecdotally, they are some of the most intelligent fish that swim. Oh, did he take? Or did he drop it? I think he dropped it. Yep. He dropped it. Damn it. Well, guys, I have been after these rubber lip bastards for a solid hour and a half, and I only managed to get the one small one. It was a neat little diversion. Glad I got the opportunity to do it, but I think it's time for me to go back to doing what I came here to do. And that's catch some largies. Oof! That was right in front of me. About to bring it out of the water. Well, guys, the buzzbait was not garnering much attention, so what I'm going to do is I switched over to this swim bait. I'm just going to skate it over the top of some of this vegetation. It seems like that's where at least some of the fish have been relating today. So I'll target that and I'll see if anything will want to blow up on this swim bait. And the reason I'm using a swim bait is because I don't have any frogs with me. Well guys, looks like my evening has just about come to an end. So, wasn't the greatest night fishing. I only managed 2 fish. I spent about an equal amount of time going after the bass and going after the carp. Not quite sure which one I should have spent more time on, but I wound up getting one of each, so it wasn't really a waste of time. Now, was it worth me getting soaking wet in the rain? Well, if I wind up catching a cold, I'll change my answer, but for now, I'm going to say yes, it was. So, thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next adventure.